Here's the house. It's livable, I guess. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, but it needs a lot of work. Used to be 3 mobile homes on the property, so I have 3 physical addresses and 2 meters. Had to haul out a bunch of tires, scrap, in the process of cutting trees down that are real close to the shop, and I'll have to dig up the stumps. There's some stuff that was in the loft that I don't have any need for. The lumber I'll probably end up just burning. The building has no insulation, no heat, but I have a kerosene torpedo heater and a bunch of fans. You could see that sliding doors have a lot to be desired as far as keeping the weather out. So I'll have to do something about that. And it's got 2 big doors.